of strange. I mean, when I started, I thought, you know, how difficult can it be to create a power tool? You know, it's a motor spinning, and you know, there's a saw blade or something, and you won't believe how much time goes into, you know, getting every little detail perfect.
I like working at Festool because, you know, we care. You know, we care about our dealers, our customers, and we're always going to do everything in our power to make things right. And to me, that's what separates us. That's what's special about Festool.
The growth that we have just continuously and how we have to keep challenging ourselves is it's quite interesting in how it's been playing out for us.